Good morning, it's Monday, September the 13th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases, along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, hopefully you all had a tremendous weekend. It was actually the opening weekend of the NFL. I'm sure most of you know that. My Indianapolis Colts unfortunately went down to Houston, but we've got a whole season ahead of us, so I'm sure Peyton's going to be able to turn it around. Also, George wanted me to say a special shout out to everybody that participated in the Ring of Fire Golf Classic this weekend. He had a great time. Thanks for putting it together, guys. So now, let's finally get down to business. I've got two great press releases for you. They're both dual listed on the TSX Venture and the over-the-counter bulletin board, and I've got one halt to report on in the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Argentex. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol ATX. They also trade on the bulletin board on the symbol AGXM. The company is announcing recent results from their Tranquilo vein on its wholly owned Pinguino property, which is located in Argentina. It's intersected the highest grade silver mineralization ever discovered on the properties, and these are some pretty big numbers, are actually bonanza grade. There were a total of 89 drill holes put into the property, covering 6,200 meters. Now, the highlight hole number 10, which returned 6 meters containing 2,428 grams per ton of silver, 0.22 grams per ton of gold, 0.3% copper, and 0.74% lead. So those are some pretty big numbers of silver. Once again, 6 meters containing 2,400 grams per ton of silver. Company's last at 57 cents. High of $1, low of 43 cents, market cap of approximately $25 million. Now moving on to Romios Gold, another dual listed company. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol RG. They also trade on the bulletin board under the symbol RMIOF. And for our European friends, they trade under the symbol D4R. The company is announcing assay results from holes number 1, 2, and 3 to confirm the extension of their copper-gold mineralization, which is confirmed at depth into the northeast. We've got some highlights, which include 4% copper, 1.7% silver, 8.8 grams per ton, 1.7 grams per ton of gold, and 8.8 grams per ton of silver, and this is all over 4.6 meters, and this is within a 43-meter intersection of 0.9% copper, 0.3 grams per ton of gold, and 2.2 grams per ton of silver. So very respectable numbers coming out of Romios this morning. Assays for the remaining 5 holes will be reported once they've been received and reviewed by the company. They're last at 15 cents, high of 33 cents, low of 9 cents, market cap of approximately $17 million. And moving on to the halts, as I mentioned at the top, I've got one for you, Griffin Gold Corporation. They trade on the TSX, the big board, under the symbol GGN. They are halted pending news. Actually, sorry, it's a resumption, market open. That's it. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.